In this video, we'll be showing you how to fix a slow download speed on Google Chrome. The first step that I want you to do is to navigate to your applications and find the applications or program that is consuming a large portion of your internet speed. And just close it. So if that doesn't work, you can head directly to your Google Chrome and then click this or type this into your Google browser. Once you access this, you will be introduced into the parallel downloading directly. So you just need to click this drop down and then make sure that you have selected enabled. So once this is enabled, it will enable parallel downloading to accelerate your download speed in your Chrome browser. Next is to click this three-dotted icon and then head to your settings. Since we want to access the system settings, and make sure that you have turned off continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So just turn this off. And also make sure that you have turned on graphics acceleration when available. And that's it. That's how you can solve or fix a slow download speed in Google Chrome. And thank you for listening.